This is a short tutorial on how to use questionnaires in eFolio. You'll see here I'm on my 5th grade site. The first thing I want to do is add a new folder called Questionnaires. I'm going to use that for the shortcut. And because today I'm going to add a math questionnaire, I'm going to add a folder under questionnaires called Math. Questionnaires are located under New Content. You'll see a thing called Questionnaires there. You'll notice that a number of questionnaires available. The ones that will apply to us are under Math, IB Schools. There's a questionnaire under Reading, IB Schools. There's questionnaires under Writing and also under Units of Inquiry. We're going to do a math questionnaire today. This is for Unit 2. We're going to complete the questionnaire. Name of this math unit was MAP, Measurement, Area, and Perimeter, 5th grade. Today's date would be the 18th of November. I stayed focused and worked hard during math, always. I listened well during the math, always. I contributed to discussions during this math, always. Completed assignments, yes, I did all my homework. And I know all my multiplication facts, always. And you can see there's 4 choices there since I did all these things. You'll notice here that you have something about learning and understanding. This would be where you would describe using details what you actually learned during this unit, what things that you think you really understand. And you can use the planning sheet for that. This is difficulties you've had. This would be in the questionnaire, things that you think are difficult for you to understand in this unit. And it shouldn't be something like everything or some of the math. It should be specific. So if you had trouble, for instance, understanding perimeter and area of rectangles or perimeter and area of triangles, you would put that in specifically. Or if you got confused by converting units and metric, what do you think you should do to become a better math student? This would be areas of improvement that you think. Again, it should be specific, like are you completing your homework? Are you doing your work? Are you focusing during the math time? Are you asking for help when you need it? And this would be examples of work. Now, you would get this content here from your content right now. If you go into my content, you'll notice that I have a file that I've uploaded, and this is a sample of my work. It's page 74, which I'm proud of, and I'm just going to drag that here. And I could drag a number of things here, samples of my work, including feedback from my teacher, 2 or 3 samples of my work. This would be if you have anything additional to say, and then you would save that. And we're going to now look under Math. We're going to build this site, and we should look under my content now. And we're going to close the images here. You'll see we completed a math questionnaire unit 2, and I'm just going to drag that onto my page. And if we preview that, you'll notice that my questionnaire shows up on my eFolio site with my work habits. This would be content of what I learned and difficulties. This would be examples of my work, and I could click on that and actually see that artifact on my eFolio page showing a sample of my work. You can go back into your questionnaires just like you go and edit the content. So if I wanted to edit things in here, I could do that. I'm going to save this. And also you can again look at the content properties there. You have content properties like all these things. These are the fields that are showing. You could also set up feedback on this page if you want. That's how to use questionnaires in eFolio.